Someday you just might find the world's perfect metaphor, emulsion to celluloid, and what you keep them for. A minor disaster, or just a major pity. You find yourself listening to field recordings from the city, held hostage by a restless heart, and it just won't stop until it's torn apart. It sounds so sincere, but still seems kinda fake. All these conversations in the city by the lake, everyone walking around, talking into their hands. It's called communication, but I don't understand. I'm just held hostage by a restless heart, and it just won't stop until it's torn apart. And there ain't no cure for it, oh no. Some things are easier to stop than quit. Where the story's told and the race is run, armed in grey business suits, fortunes lost and won. Spend your time waiting for answers that don't arrive. You started out winning, now just trying to survive, held hostage by a restless heart, and it just won't stop until it's torn apart.